Well, it's very, very quiet here. School's out today, but I needed to build a cabinet on the back here, which is just a touch over what where the students are ready for. Cabinet making probably be a project for either next semester or next year. So I'm going to build it. Now they're going to finish it, so they're going to be running the sander, they're going to be staining it and helping me install it. So they still are involved in the project, just not to this level, and they're just not ready. They're going to be. They're doing really good. What I'm going to do today, we've got to make one of those, a cabinet that is in the front. We need one for the back, right here. And it'll be an upper cabinet right here. Then we're going to build lower cabinets. That'll probably come up about here. So I've got to get that done today, and they'll probably be two separate cabinets. And what I'm going to do is, my intention is to take those three pieces of 3/4 and that 1/2-inch plywood, and I'm going to turn that in to two cabinets that'll go along the back of the teardrop. Then, after we're done with that, which I won't be doing today, but when the students get back, then we'll run the rest of our top rail, and we'll put in more of our rafters. And we'll put some more up there, waiting on the fan to come in so we can install the fan. I think I've got a really different idea for a door I'm gonna try. So we're gonna get that going today, and hopefully be ready by the time the students get back. Let's see if we did any good. This is our top shelf right here. And it'll go in like this. Ooh. It's really our top cabinet, not shelf. It's gonna sit approximately right there. We'll cut the holes in here to match those up there. Maybe it'll stay just for a minute for demonstration purposes. This is our bottom cabinet. Yeah, okay, let's get it in. Whoa, timber. Not gonna happen today. So this will go in like this. And these two shelves, they may open, I'm not sure, or these cabinets. I haven't decided on that yet. And then right here, it's gonna be our exhaust for our AC. So we'll put the AC in there. We'll have to figure out some kind of container type, something to hold some cabinets. Can't really put too big of a door, because if you're gonna have a 4-inch mattress, and you're gonna have kind of a smaller door, but we'll measure it, it might work out. We'll give it a try. Let's see what's happening. But, right there, right there, and right there. That's where we're at. Got a couple of holes to cut. We'll get the kids in here, the students in here, and let them sand it down, putty it up, and get it stained to match the front right there. And then we'll really be making hay. Yeah, grab another one right there.
But where did this nigga get all this energy from, bro?